If Joey and Alana knew something about Billy, some problem he had with his parents, they'd tell you. They're your friends.
Well, at their age, I'm afraid their friendship with Billy is going to far outweigh their feelings for me. Anyway, it was wrong for me to go over there. I can't... Oh, you know, a couple of kids aren't going to solve my problems.
Andrew, maybe you don't have any problems.
But Billy Douglas does. And that makes them mine. I'll take care of this.
Thank you. Will you excuse me?
Sure.
It's not something you figure out, Andrew. It's something you always know deep down inside, but you finally realize. And when all my buddies, they started going nuts over girls, I had to pretend like I was too, but that's just it. I was pretending.
Look, we've told Billy not to see you. Now, I would think you would respect our wishes and stay away from my son.
Stay away from Billy. Now, he is a member of the parish. He comes to me for counseling. Mr. and Mrs. Douglas, I can't turn him away. That's not the way.
You may not have a choice.
Why is that?
Andrew? Andrew, where are you? Andrew, are you okay? You seem to be a million miles away.
Not anymore. I guess this is really starting to make sense to me now, unfortunately. And, yes, I think I know what the Douglases are thinking.
Billy, don't be afraid.
Go ahead, Billy. Reverend Carpenter can't hurt you, not anymore.
Please, Mrs. Douglas. Mr. Douglas, let's give him a chance to respond in his own words. Billy, you have nothing to be ashamed of. Nobody is accusing you of anything.
Well, of course not. Of course not. It's not like you're the one with a problem.
Please, Mr. Douglas. Billy, I've known Reverend Carpenter for a long time. He's my friend, too. I've counseled him about private stuff, about his relationships. And never, not once, did I sense any conflict in his heart about his sexuality. Not once did he lead me to believe that he was homosexual.
They cover it up, don't they?
Well, yes, they have to. They couldn't survive in the real world if
Please, Mr. Douglas, I must ask you to let Billy respond. Billy, has Andrew done anything to you?
He didn't actually do anything.
He had his hands on you, didn't he?
Well, yeah, sort of.
Tell him!
Billy, if somebody touches you inappropriately, it doesn't mean that you asked for it.
He knows that.
But if there was something that you did, something that might have been interpreted as, well, an invitation.
Dare you? Are you accusing our son?
Look, I didn't invite anything. I didn't ask for anything.
Of course you didn't. It was the other way around, Bishop.
Mr. Douglas, I am suggesting that Billy might have signaled a wish for some sort of extra closeness. Yes, some sort of intimate response from Reverend Carpenter, out of a need for friendship, with no ulterior motive in mind.
Oh, I should have known that you would stand up for Carpenter. It's just like any business. You take care of your own.
Mrs. Douglas, in my business, I'm called upon to take care of everyone, whether or not they wear a collar. But your son has a responsibility, too, to tell the truth.
What do you think he's been doing?
I don't know. So far, you and your wife have been doing all the talking. I'm still waiting, Billy.
Well, look what you've done to him. He's so confused. He's so upset he can't speak.
Then I hope you'll convince your son to open up to me as soon as possible.
All right, now we're going to leave Billy out of this. We've told you the truth, and I want to know what you intend to do about it.
First of all, I plan to speak to Reverend Carpenter.
Well, he'll only deny it.
I said, first I'll speak to Reverend Carpenter before any public action is taken. For now, I'm going to treat this as a private matter. But rest assured, I will deal with it.